Do you want to become an Amazon affiliate? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact sign-up procedure and describe the requirements placed upon you as an Amazon associate. We're also going to talk about the exact text that needs to be placed close to your links in order to be compliant with the program. And we're going to talk about the sales that you have to do within a certain time frame from signing up. Otherwise, you'll be thrown out of the Amazon program. At the end, I'm going to describe to you how and when you get paid once you make a sale. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your YouTube channel and make money online. Consider subscribing if you are pumped to create a lifestyle for yourself of freedom and abundance. So Amazon is one of the biggest affiliate marketing networks in the world, and it's helping bloggers and content creators to monetize their content. And you could be one of those tens of thousands of people part of the Amazon program. There are millions of products available, and within your niche, I'm sure you can find products that you can create affiliate links to and market within your channels to your audience. The Amazon Associate Program is for savvy, ambitious, and creative people. Are you one of those? Now let me screen share and show you the sign-up procedure. Then we're going to talk about the requirements of making sales after your sign-up, and we're going to talk about how and when you get paid. So you're jumping on to the Associates Central and pressing the sign-up button. And the first thing that's going to happen is that you create your account. And you're going to, of course, put your name, email, and a password. And then also verify that you're not a robot trying to hack their system. And then you're also emailed a one-time password that you're going to put in to verify your account. The first thing you're going to do is put your account information, which is your name, address, city, state, etc. And once you've done all of that, you move on to the next step where you give your website and mobile apps list. And this is important. If you don't have a website, you could use your YouTube channel link and put it here. I'm going to use both my website and my YouTube channel custom URL link that I'm grabbing here from YouTube Studio, placing it here and adding it to the list. Because Amazon naturally wants to know where you're going to be marketing their products. You also have to comply if your website is for children under 13 and confirm that before you go on. The third step is filling in your profile, which is where you're going to be spending most of the time now. If you have a preferred associate's ID, you can put that there. And then your tagline describing your website, or really describing your business, how and who you're serving and what your business is about really. So I'm going to put helping small YouTubers grow their influence and income online here. And then you're going to have to describe the topic that you're in. Is it educational, grocery, home stuff, publishing stuff? I actually chose other here when I made this video. You can select another topic, a second one if you want to. Maybe we'll just put author publisher here. That could work. The next thing is to put what kind of items you're going to be marketing, like books, electronics, computers, clothing, and then what your website is about. Next part is traffic and monetization. So how will you drive traffic to your website? Are you using email lists, social networks, SEO, lead generation of other kinds? You fill that in. And then how else are you using your website? And I'm putting other affiliate programs there. And I also have an e-commerce web store on Redbubble. I'm putting that there. And how do you build links? Well, usually it's just grabbing links from other affiliate programs. So I'm putting other here. And how many total viewers do you have? Yeah, you have to be honest now and put unique viewers per month and what you want your associate program to be about. So that's really it. And I heard of Amazon word of mouth. Then you just have to verify that you're not a troll again, and then finish. The next thing is to look at your unique associate ID. It's right there. Here it is. Let's stop this screen share right now. You have to make qualifying purchases within the next 180 days from signing up. What you have done now is really actually only the first step out of 3 to become an Amazon associate. You have filled in all your information and you're now able to grab links, but you have to make sales within the next 6 months. If you're pumped to do this, if this is giving you value so far, smash the like button. It's much appreciated. Thank you. Now, we're going to talk about more requirements, so stay tuned. 180 days is 6 months. It might seem to be a long time, but it actually isn't. If you're a small business owner, you need to get started right now marketing your affiliate links, your Amazon links, okay? I'm going to tell you in a little bit how many qualifying sales you have to make within those 180 days in order to move on into the application procedure. Let's screen share again. Then move on to enter your password again and two-step verification with your phone number, and then move on into entering your payment and tax details. So if you want to be paid with a direct deposit, you're going to have to be giving your banking details, selecting country first and giving your bank name and all those kinds of codes to your account. Then your tax information needs to be put in as well. Once that is done, you're going to be telling also Amazon where you're going to be serving, what audience you're serving, if you're inside or outside the US. And at the bottom, you're signing with your name, and that's it. So this is a really quick walkthrough, but I wanted to show it to you so that you know what to expect. Now, here it is. Let's stop the screen share again. You have to make 3 qualifying sales within those 180 days. A qualifying sale is not you buying stuff off of your own link. It's not your mother buying or anyone you know. It's real customers buying off your links. Those are qualifying purchases. Unless they return the product, then it doesn't count either. So 3 qualifying purchases, it doesn't sound much, but it's quite hard when you're a small business owner or a small channel. You have to work really hard now to market your links, okay? Not until you have done that will Amazon review your application for real, and that's when you get a chance to become a real associate of Amazon. Stay tuned, because the text that you need to put along with your links is coming up next. So once you have grabbed links to the products that you want to market, you have to make sure that this exact text is placed along with your links everywhere that you're marketing them. Listen closely. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Did you get that? That's how you stay compliant. Thumbs up if this is valuable to you. Let's move into the payment details. Amazon is going to pay you approximately 60 days after you have made your sale. So for example, if you're making a sale on December 15th, the end of the month is where Amazon starts counting 60 days on. So if you're making a sale on December 15th, the end of December is New Year's, right? And then another 60 days is going to take you to the end of February or beginning of March. So now that you have signed up with the associate program, you can start promoting your affiliate links. You can do it already now. You could be making money already this holiday season. Put down below, pumped to start earning if you agree. Next, watch these videos on how to grow your YouTube channel and your affiliate marketing business. All the best. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.